Hey guys, in this video I'm going to install a relocation bracket for my track bar, and I'm going to tell you why. Okay, a few weeks ago I installed a 1-ton steering kit from BKFab, and now that I have moved the steering from the bottom of the knuckle to the top of the knuckle, here I'll just show you. Alright, so here I put the 1-ton steering on. The drag link and the track bar are at similar heights up there, but down here, as you can tell, I moved it to the top and the track bar is much lower. So now whenever I hit a bump or something, the steering moves, and so does the steering wheel. I'll show you here. Okay, here we go. On this stretch of road here, I know it will do it. Yeah, there you go. You can see it pretty well in here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take the track bar and put a relocation bracket on it so that it moves the track bar down, and it installs here and it moves it down about 2 inches. So I'll show you the part now. Okay, in this box I got this from maXpeedingrods off of Amazon, and it bolts in the stock location here, and then on the outside of the unibody 3 bolts get added for rigidity, and then the track bar will go here. So that's about a 2-inch drop, which should help with my bump steer, and it's pretty bad as you've seen. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so let's go ahead and get some tools out. I'm going to show you my pretty cool underneath setup I got here. Is I just lift this up, set it back, and I have an entire toolbox underneath where my spare tire used to be. Thought that was kind of nifty, and if you got any questions, just ask in the comments. But I'm going to start getting stuff out and setting it up and get ready to go. Okay, now that I have the tire off, I can show you what I'm going to be doing. First, I'm going to be taking the sway bar disconnect loose, and then I got to take the track bolt loose, and then I have to go in, and there's a bolt right here, and there's a bolt in between the spring right there. Since I have Metalclok springs, they're collapsed right there, so I'm gonna have to drop my whole axle to get those loose, and maybe I can get room in there to where I can just not have to take the whole spring out. So I guess we'll see. now that everything's gone, I'm going to take these two bolts loose, because this fits just like so, and those, of course, are in the way. So we'll take those out. There's one. There's two. Okay, now that those two bolts are out, I got the hardware bag. These are the old bolts. These are the new bolts. As you can tell, they're a little longer. They're the same size. Let's put those in. I think my track bar bracket is a little bent. I'm gonna go ahead, stick the bolt in. It'll move. It's a 19. Well, I'll be. It's a 19. Okay. Okay, now that I have these two tight, as you can see here, the bolt doesn't line up. So we're just gonna have to drill that hole out. I assume that is what this bolt goes to. With a washer and a nut on the other side. So, we'll get to that. Time to get the drill. Okay, I ended up getting a 1/2-inch drill bit. And time to drill out that hole. Okay, finally, I got the bracket installed with the new hardware. Now it's time to get the track bar remounted. back together. As you can tell, they are in a much more better plane, parallel to each other. So I guess I'll get everything packed up, cleaned up, including myself, and we'll take it for a spin, see what happens. Okay, now here I am. I'm about to go over a spot that I know for sure nothing. Perfectly fine. Other than my steering wheel is really crooked. I'm gonna go fix that right now. Alright guys, well that's how you install a track bar relocation bracket on a WJ, and that's also how you get rid of bump steer. If you go to a 1-ton steering and don't want to do the over the axle, whatever price that is, it's ungodly amount. So that was a maXpeed drop bracket. I'll put it in the description below. It was only like $55 at the time of this video. So if you have any more questions or comments, put them down below, and thanks for watching.